The Hubble Space Telescope has captured breathtaking images of distant galaxies. Black holes are regions in space where the gravitational pull is so strong that not even light can escape. The Milky Way is just one of the billions of galaxies in the observable universe. The concept of a multiverse suggests that our universe might be one of the many parallel universes. Comets, made of ice and dust, develop glowing tails as they approach the Sun. The Big Bang Theory describes the origin of the universe as an expansion from a singular point, approximately 13.8 billion years ago. Satellites orbiting Earth are crucial for global communications, weather forecasting, and navigation. The search for exoplanets has revealed thousands of planets outside our solar system, some of which may be Earth like.